Hey there, Yuri here in my dining room. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. Today, we're gonna do something a little different. I'm gonna show you some easy and affordable, I'm talking dollar store affordable, holiday decor hacks that you can use to help decorate your place for the holidays. Once again, I've mentioned so many times, I am gonna be unemployed with my job every other month as a little concession that I took in order to help everybody save their jobs in the airline industry as a flight attendant. So because of that, I am on an extreme holiday budget. So I want to show you some of the hacks that I've done around my place to still have, you know, a Christmas vibe and feel, but for very, very, very little cost. All of my items either came from the dollar store or they came from Target, which you know is a favorite of mine. I tend to go there in every video, but we will not be going there today, okay? We're not going anywhere today because I'm not spending any more money on Christmas. And this year is one of the best years that I've ever done, with me using most everything from last year, repurposing it and getting a few pieces here or there, really just to make my place pop. For this hack, we just need a few different supplies. All of this actually came from the dollar store except for two items. This first one is a wreath kind of wire rack that people use for gardening. These also came from the dollar store. These are 15-foot garland pieces. These vases came from the dollar store. These are some leftover ornaments that I have not used yet. Oh, and I already had one of these made from last year. This is the same rack with this same 15-foot cord. I think I used 2 or 3 of these to make this wreath. Here you see me taking some tile samples that I got from Lowe's. I already had been using these throughout my home decor. I just placed them together to make a longer centerpiece. Took that wire wreath that I made all from dollar store items, and now using those dollar store vases and filling those with my excess small ornament bulbs. You can see that here I'm going for like a champagne gold, silvery kind of vibe.
Snow is finally falling. Children are all bundled up, making snowmen and angels and all.
Next, I'm taking some of these pine cones that I have. These are pine cone ornaments. I got these last year from Target for $3, I think for $6, and I have several packs of those. I did see those at Target this year as well, so they're probably a recurring item. I'm just sticking them in between the vases and my candle just to fill up the space a little more and to make the piece look a little more unique. You can see how easy and affordable this first hack is. So if you're looking for something that's cheap and easy, something you can do with your kids or with your friends, this is definitely it.
Put some lights on it, watch them sparkle in each other's eyes.
Now I'm gonna take you over to my dining room shelf. I'm gonna show you a few cheap and affordable hacks that I did just to add a little more pop to this area. First is I actually have these berries that I got from Target last year. I think I got them on sale for like maybe 50% off. If they are still available, I'll make sure to link it down below because I add these berries to everything to jazz it up. I added it to this faux plant that I already had. I added it here underneath my little plant, my little plate stand, that same $3 Target tree that I showed earlier, and these are some Christmas balls that I just put in my decor pieces just to bring a little more color. Also added more berries over here, added berries to the top there, and also added it down here. Now this is a garland that I had that kind of matches the colors of my home. This is a slate I got last year from Target from the $5 spot. I think this one was $5. And I added more berries to tie in color. And then with extra berries, I just put them in a glass jar again to help bring some more pops of red into the space. There's 2 more hacks I want to show you in this shelf area. These are toy houses that I got from the dollar store that I spray painted white last year, and I have 4 of them, and they were all weird funky colors, and again I just spray painted them white, and I feel like it adds a nice little Christmas kind of subtle mood vibe thing. And the last thing I'll show you is using ornaments as decor in and of itself. This was an ornament that I got last year and I just added there to the display. This was a simple tree that I got from Target that I added a berry to, and then these are some other pieces that I got from Target as well. Next, I'd like to share some after Christmas shopping hacks. These boxes below my tree are actually from the clearance section of Target. I also did the same thing with some of my ornaments. I went back after Christmas and got them on clearance as well, including the Y-shaped ornaments, because I never find anything in the shape of Y. So I got a lot of these things from last year after Christmas was over.
And me find ourselves a Christmas tree. Put some lights on it, watch them sparkle in each other's eyes.
This next one is just a fun holiday hack that you can do with friends or family. Baking Christmas cookies is decorating. It really is, because you can display them on a nice plate or in a nice glass kind of cake stand, which is what I did. So I had one of my closest friends over and we just had fun decorating cookies.
Just to remember forever.
This last holiday decorating hack is my favorite. I did a Christmas inspired table landscape complete with berries and tablecloths and stars, and I love it. And I love setting the tea lights at night. Basically what I did is use items that I had already on hand and combined it with some Christmas ones. I had half of the plates already, but I added these gold clear ones from TJ Maxx that I got this year at a set of 4. I also added some holiday inspired table napkins, and I'm doing a little napkin experimenting to see which kind of style I like best with the berries. So you see me try the napkins 2 ways.
I'm like, nah, 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 nah. This is where I wanna be, nah, nah, nah. Never ever gonna leave, nah, nah.
Is the final look that I decided on, and I love it. I set the tea lights at night and it's just such a vibe.
I could do this every day. It don't matter what they say.
Alright guys, so that's going to do it for today's Vlogmas vlog. Really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not already. I have more coming your way, but all of it's going to be focused on the new year and making 2021 the best yet, because I think we are all ready to say bye-bye to 2020. You with me? Alright, let's go. I'll see you in the next one. Until then.
This is where I wanna be, nah, nah, nah. Never ever gonna